Ethereum and smart contracts. Think of a vending machine. You put in $1, press B4, and the drink drops. No cashier, no negotiation, no trust needed. The machine simply executes the deal. Now imagine that idea applied to money, agreements, and apps. That is Ethereum. Ethereum launched in 2015, created by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin. Bitcoin was designed to be digital money. Ethereum asked a bigger question. What if a blockchain could run programs, not just record payments? Before we go further, here's a simple way to think about a blockchain. Imagine a shared online notebook copied across many computers. When a new transaction or update is added, everyone's copy updates too. That makes it hard for one person to secretly change the records. Ethereum is a blockchain platform people can build on, and Ether, or ETH, is its currency. Now, let's talk about the key idea behind Ethereum: smart contracts. A smart contract is a program stored on the blockchain that runs automatically when conditions are met, just like the vending machine. If X happens, then Y executes. For example, if someone sends payment, a digital ticket could be delivered automatically. No lawyer, no bank, no middleman needs to enforce it. The rules are already written into the program. Once deployed, the contract runs exactly as written and everyone can see the code. That transparency is important because users can check the rules themselves instead of depending on one company behind the scenes. Smart contracts power most of what you hear about in crypto. First, stablecoins. These are digital tokens designed to track currencies like the US dollar, so their prices stay more stable than many cryptocurrencies. Then there is decentralized finance, often called DeFi. These are apps for lending, borrowing, and trading without traditional banks handling every step. There are also NFTs, which are basically digital ownership certificates. They can represent art, music, game items, or other digital assets. Some projects even use smart contracts to help groups make decisions together using code and online voting. Ethereum changed blockchain technology in a major way. A useful comparison is this. Bitcoin was like a calculator. Ethereum turned blockchain into a smartphone, a platform where developers everywhere could build different kinds of apps. Quick question. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. What do you think Ethereum is often compared to? Think about it. The answer is coming up. Here's the answer. Many people compare Ethereum to digital oil or to a global app store because it acts like a resource that powers applications. Bitcoin focuses on being scarce, simple money with a fixed supply. Ethereum focuses on flexibility and programmability. One is mainly designed to store value, the other is designed to run applications and services. That's why the two largest cryptocurrencies are not really direct competitors. They serve different purposes. So why does this matter if you're completely new to crypto? Because when you hear about new crypto projects, digital tokens, or DeFi apps, a huge number of them are built on Ethereum or platforms inspired by it. Understanding Ethereum helps you understand a large part of the crypto world, even if you never plan to buy any cryptocurrency yourself. So here's the recap. Ethereum is a blockchain people can build on. Smart contracts are self-executing programs like digital vending machines, and those smart contracts power stablecoins, DeFi apps, and NFTs. Follow us for weekly crypto education made simple. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice.